one, thank you guys for coming today. We're still waiting for people before we officially start. But let's take this chance to pick his brain because we don't always get to do this. In fact, for the podcast we had.
Dahil ka sa DJing, kumbaga, pwede ka mag-express ng music mo, hip-hop. Parang nagano lang siya, nagkaroon ng bridge.
Manila's finest. Mama rin ang medical Well, you will see him playing at clubs, music festivals, cruise ships, streetwear stores, literally on any island in the country. Representing Vibe Check, Midas Records, Isa Brand, G10C, and of course, Ghost Worldwide Records. The holder of the 2020 IDA Championship title. He represented the motherland at Technics DMC 2023 in the Philippines and made it all the way to the finals at Midway, San Francisco, California, where he melted everyone's faces off. He is one of my very good friends and one of my favorite guests in the OTM podcast, Simba DNA. Ladies and gentlemen, it is in my great honor and pleasure to introduce Mr. ADMV.
Sure.
Okay. Yeah. Chirp, kaya tinawag chirp kasi tunog siya ng ibon. Then, ang cut ng click niya, tuloy-tuloy nyo yung baby scratch. Next is transform na. So, connected talaga sila. Kasi 2 click, yung 4 clicks mo ng transform, gagawin mo lang siya 2 clicks. Connected talaga sila. Which is... Lalagyan niyo ng click. Diba? Yun. Pagpasok mo ng akapela, iisip ka ulit na kasunod na wordplay nito. Makakaubo ko ang gagawin 3. Yeah.
Successful event.
Congrats, Mards!
Congrats, Anya.
Congrats sa kanya.
Marami ba kayo natutunan?
Marami, sobrang
Marami.
dami natutunan. Sana pwede pahiram mo na S9 para mag-practice sa bahay.
Pati yung PLX.
Pati yung PLX, mag-practice lang. Para
Binibigay ko na sa inyo kanina, nahihiya pa kayo eh.
Hiram lang, hiram.
Ayan, dito tayo meron mo. Yan.
Saan?
Ay, living room.
Yan.
Kay living room and F1.
Rich kid yan eh.
Isipin mo, no, yung DDJ 1000 nagamit sa Fresh Cuts,
Oo.
nagamit sa...
Ano yan? Grabe, for the love.
Malapit na gamitin sa EDC yun.
Oo, matik. Nirerentahan nga daw ng Coachella yung gamit niya, ayaw pumayag eh.
Ay,
Pang
puta.
fresh cuts lang daw siya. Daling daw yung ng Coachella yung fresh cuts, ayaw siya. Rentahan gamit niya. Gamit lang ayaw. Yung gamit lang hirap, ito yung DJ, walang naka-line up. Di na. 23 na lang.
Nung nakaraan, nagsasarado na sila eh.
Umabol pa kayo?
O siya yun.